Morning class, welcome to the online classes of Shivaji Group Institutions. In the last class I have told you about scene 1 and scene 2. In this class I will discuss the scene 3. What is there in scene 3? See, enter Mr. Bhushan and Mr. Rahman. Now Mr. Bhushan and Mr. Rahman entered. Both look quite tired. Both of them are looking very tired. बहुत थके हुए लग रहे थे. Mr. Rahman is a short, stocky man. Mr. Rahman is a short, stocky man. Mr. Rahman जो थे वो एक short, मतलब कम height वाले stocky man थे. Balding with a heavy mustache. Balding means with a heavy mustache. Balding means he is not having hair on the head. He is having less hair on the head with a heavy mustache. But he is having a good amount of mustache. उनकी mustache ज़्यादा थी. He also has twinkling eyes and slight paunch. He also has twinkling eyes. उनकी आंखें चमकदार थी and slight paunch. Slight paunch भी था. और देखिए इसके बाद क्या होता है इसमें? क्या दिया हुआ है? Mr. Bhushan, aside to the audience, Nilima came through after all. Nilima came through after all. He said to Nilima, Nilima, you come. What a mouth-watering aroma. Ramu has outdone himself. He said to Nilima, what a mouth-watering aroma means what a good smell is coming from the kitchen. What are you preparing for the lunch or dinner? And what a mouth-watering aroma. Ramu has outdone himself, or Ramu has outdone himself. Is Ramu not there? Mr. Rahman said, sits down. Something smells really good. Mr. Rahman says, something is smelling really good. You are lucky man, Bhushan. What a wonderful cook your wife must be. He said to Mr. Bhushan that Mr. Rahman, that you are a very lucky person. What a wonderful cook your wife must be. Now Mr. Bhushan said proudly, well, she is no doubt, but she is yet to come back from work today. Well, she is, he said proudly, well, she is means she is a very good cook, but she is yet to come from the work today. She is yet to come from the work today means she is not at home and she is yet to come from the work today. She is a professor at a university. He told Mr. Rahman, Mr. Bhushan, that she is a professor at a university. She is a professor at a university. And you see, this is the hard work, this is the handwork of our cook. He said that this is the handwork of our cook. Our cook is cooking something. He was trained well by Nilima. And he said that he was trained very well by Nilima. He is very well trained by our wife Nilima, and that's the effort of our wife that our cook is cooking so good food. Mr. Rahman approvingly, she runs a tight ship then. I wonder whether, what is the meaning of tight ship? Keeps a place very well organized and operating efficiently. Means he is doing two types of things. She is going to the working place also, and she is also at home. She is also a homemaker. So she is running a very tight ship. I wonder whether. Now he says he wonder whether. Now coming to the next page. Rakesh walks in wearing an apron, holding a plate of piping feed. Holding a plate of piping feed. He comes back. Hot snacks with assorted dips in one hand and a tray of sandwiches with French fries in the other. Now Rakesh walks in. Rakesh just comes there. Rakesh is the son of Mr. Bhushan. Rakesh walks in wearing an apron, and he was wearing an apron. What was he wearing? He was wearing an apron, holding a plate of piping hot snacks. And he was holding a piping hot snack means very hot. It is a very hot snacks plate with assorted dips. Assorted means various sorts that are put together. Assorted dips in one hand and a tray of sandwiches with French fries in the other. He was holding assorted dips in one hand and a tray of French fries in the other. A tray of sandwiches and French fries in the other. The plates are set down by him and he smiles politely at Mr. Rahman. Now the plate is kept by him very nicely on the table and he smiles at Mr. Rahman. He smiles at Mr. Rahman. What is there in the chapter next? Rakesh holds a hand. Hello sir, pleased to meet you. Now comes Rakesh. Hello, hold out a hand. He holds out a hand and he said, hello sir, pleased to meet you. I am very happy to meet you. I have heard a lot about you from Baba. He said that I have heard a lot about you from Baba. I have heard a lot about you from the Baba. Mr. Rahman, Rumal shakes Rakesh hands. Indeed, are you Ramu? And he said, are you Ramu? Mr. Rahman जो है उसे हैंडशेक करते हैं और कहते हैं, are you Ramu? क्या तुम रामू? Rakesh chuckles politely. Oh no, Ramu Kaka couldn't come in today. He said that Ramu Kaka couldn't come in today. Ramu Kaka जो है वो आज आ नहीं पाए. Please excuse me, I'll be right back. He said that please excuse me, I'll be right back. I'll come after some time. Rakesh exits. Now Rakesh exits. Rakesh जो है वो exit कर जाते हैं, चले जाते हैं. Mr. Bhushan, embarrassed. Sir, my son. He said that Mr. Bhushan, my son, dash. After that he dash. So that's understood that he is saying something. Mr. Rahman interrupting. No need to say anything, Bhushan. He said no need to say anything, Bhushan. What an extraordinary young man, so helpful and polite. He said that what an extraordinary young man, so helpful and polite. He is very helpful also and very polite. You must be very proud. He said that you must be very proud. Am I to take that he has prepared all of this? Am I to take it that he has prepared all of this? Am I to take that he has prepared all of this? That he has prepared all of this? Mr. Bhushan, yes, he does enjoy cooking. Mr. Bhushan, yes, he does enjoy cooking. He enjoys cooking. He does enjoy cooking. Mr. Bhushan said to Mr. Rahman that my son enjoys cooking. After that, Mr. Rahman helping himself to pakoras and smiling ear to ear. Now Mr. Rahman helping himself to pakoras. He is just eating the pakoras and smiling ear to ear. It shows I must get the recipe for this tangy red dip. It shows that I must get the recipe for this tangy red dip. He means to say that he wants to get the recipe of this tangy red dip. Means it is very tasty. Rakesh enters. The time with 3 cups of freshly brewed tea and another plate of exotic looking snacks. Now Rakesh enters. This time with 3 cups of freshly brewed tea. Now Rakesh enters. This time holding 3 cups of tea, a plate having 3 cups of tea, and another plate of exotic looking snacks. Another plate of nice looking snacks. What is the meaning of exotic? Exotic means something that is unusual and interesting. जो interesting होती है उसको बोलते हैं. Now see, Rakesh, please try these snacks. Rakesh said, please all of you try these snacks. All of you please try these snacks. Rakesh said, please try these snacks. It's very popular. Please try this too. They are enchiladas. They are very popular Mexican snack. He said that they are also very popular Mexican snack. He said that they are very popular Mexican snack. After that, I got the recipe online and I must warn you, they are a little spicy. I got the recipe online. He said that I got the recipe online. I must warn you that they are little spicy, and I must warn you that they are little spicy also. That they are little spicy. Mr. Rahman, these are delicious. Mr. Rahman said, these are delicious. Akshay, I must say you have an extremely talented boy. Mr. Rahman said, these are delicious. Akshay, he said to Mr. Bhushan, these are delicious. Akshay, I must say you have an extremely talented boy. I must say that you have an extremely talented boy. You and Mr. Bhushan must be such proud parents. He said that you and Mr. Bhushan must be such proud parents. At this moment the bell rings. And at this moment the bell rings. Rakesh opens the door. Now Rakesh opens the door. Nilima enters and all exchange greetings. Now Rakesh opens the doors. Bell ring करती है, Rakesh open करता है door को. Nilima enters. Nilima enter करती है and all exchange greetings. All the person exchange greetings. The refreshments are a success. The refreshments are a success. The parents are extremely happy with Rakesh's quick thinking and wonderful cooking talent. Now the parents are very happy with Rakesh's quick thinking and extremely good cooking. He is a very talented person. He is a very nice cook. Mr. Rahman, I'll take your leave for Mrs. Bhushan. I'll take your leave for Mrs. Bhushan. Mr. Rahman said, I'll take your leave, Mrs. Bhushan. My compliments on this talented young chap. And my compliment for this talented young chap. That is a very good chap. Person. Fondly pats Rakesh's shoulder. When he fondly pats Rakesh's shoulder, I'd love to sample some more treats soon. And I'd love to sample some more treats soon. Rakesh, gladly sir. Rakesh said gladly sir. I'll pack some, send them through with Baba. Rakesh said gladly sir. I'll pack some, मैं कुछ पैक कर दूँगा and send them through with Baba. Mr. Rahman said, laughs, thank you, well bye for now. Mr. Rahman said, laughs and she said thank you, well bye for now, good day, Mrs. Bhushan leaves for R. And good day, Mrs. Bhushan leaves for R. Now Mr. Bhushan, so Rakesh, beta, tell me how you would like to spend your upcoming vacations. Now Mr. Bhushan said, so Rakesh, beta, tell me how you would like to spend our upcoming vacations. How would you like to spend your upcoming vacations? How would you like to spend your upcoming vacations? Mr. Bhushan asked to Rakesh. Now Rakesh said, who? Mr. Bhushan, Prince, I am thinking our young master chef would like to improve his cooking skills perhaps. Now Mr. Bhushan said, Prince, I am thinking our young master chef would like to improve his cooking skills perhaps. He would like to improve his cooking skills perhaps. Rakesh, happy and bewildered. Dad, really? Bewildered means confused. He is happy and he is confused. Dad, really? Mr. Bhushan said, sure. No stereotypes in this house, please. All laugh. And this the completed. Now this chapter is now children completed. All the things I have told you in this chapter. And now this chapter is all completed. Now in the next class I will start with a new chapter and I will send you video as soon as possible. Children, okay? Thank you.